In this video, we will show you how to use the break apart feature to break a text into individual letters. Let's start from this text object. If you choose the text tool, you can see that this is still a text object. You can edit the text and use the rest of the options. Now, if you select the text object, right-click and select Break Apart, the text is separated. If you have a text object with multiple words, it is first separated into words. Each word is now a separate text object. If you use Break Apart once, the letters become separate items. If you start the text tool, each letter is a separate text object, which you can edit individually. It is no longer a text object that you can edit as a whole. The only way to go back is if you undo the break apart operation. There are many ways why you may want to break a text object into individual artwork segments. The main reason is that you can now transform and shape each letter separately and create whatever special design you like. Even though individual letters can be transformed separately, in order to freely edit the shape of a letter, you need to use the Convert to Curves option.